How to hide online status on WhatsApp. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go to your app store or the Play Store if you're an iPhone or an Android. Then once you do that, you're gonna have to search up WhatsApp. Then once you find WhatsApp, make sure you click on it. If you have an update option right here, make sure you do update it because you have to be on the latest WhatsApp. Then once you do that, just go back on WhatsApp. Now from here, this is very simple. What you have to do is make sure you click on your setting option all the way right here. So all the way to the right, just click on the setting option. Now from here, you're going to have to scroll down till you find this option right here where it's at privacy. It should be under account, the second option. So just click on that. Then once you click on privacy, you have this option right here where it's at last seen or online. Right here, if you click on that, make sure this is on nobody. Unless you want everybody else to see you, then you could put on everybody. Or if you just want your contact, you could also do that. You could also click on right here where it said my contact except. So you could choose everybody except that one person. And right here, under right here where it said who can see when I'm online, just click on same as last seen. And now if you do that, nobody could see if you're online. That's basically how you hide your online status on WhatsApp. So this would have helped you. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below to Instructify if you need any help. Thank you for watching.